Okay, chalo, keep reading. Polynomials. Okay, tell me, what do you know about polynomials? Tell me. Polynomials means what?
Degree of one is called polynomial.
Huh?
Like when polynomial of degree one is called linear.
No, classification. Okay, what is polynomial? What is the difference between the algebraic expression and polynomial?
Sir, polynomial is in the form ax plus by plus c.
Why, if it is in the form of 2x square plus 3x plus 5, it is not polynomial?
Sir, like it should be equal to 0, like in simplest form. Standard.
No, ऐसा नहीं. Algebraic expression and polynomial का क्या relation है? हाँ, anybody? तनिष्का. Algebraic expression and इसका polynomial का. See, 9th class में also we taught. Degree should be
natural number.
natural number. That is the important thing. Okay. See, algebraic expression and polynomial ka. See, this is any. They have both have variables, both have coefficients, but see, this is -2 plus 5x plus 6. Okay. This is an algebraic expression. This is also algebraic expression, but this is not a polynomial. But this is a polynomial. Why? Because a degree should be only positive integer should be there, like natural numbers only. We should not be negative. Then only it is called polynomial. Okay, both are algebraic expressions only. So understanding, huh? Both are algebraic expression only, but degree should be non-negative integer. Okay, Liko. Write down. It is an algebraic expression with variables, coefficients, and operations, and positive integer exponents. That is important. Then only we can call it is a polynomial. For example, we represent polynomial as p of x. One variable, only one variable made is there. So p of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 6. It is an algebra. It is an polynomial. Why? Because all degree is positive. Okay, positive integer. Yeah, Akash, on the video. Polynomial started. Siddharth, on the video.
Sir, actually, I'm traveling, sir.
Okay. You know, whenever my tuition time is there, you'll travel, huh?
Sir, no, sir. Long weekend, right, sir? That's why.
Okay. Chalo. X square plus 2x plus 6 is a general expression of polynomial. Okay. Chalo. Understood, right? Algebraic expression ka and polynomial ka relationship. Now we'll talk about the degree of a polynomial. Degree means, all people also know, right? Degree means, what do you think of degree?
The exponential power.
Huh?
The exponential power.
The exponential power, okay.
Highest.
Highest exponential power. Because suppose in this may 2x square plus 5x plus 7. So degree all are exponential power only, but highest wala, right? Because the highest power of variable in a polynomial is called degree. So इसका degree कितना है? 2. Degree is 2. Highest power of variable. This is the highest power. Now degree is classified into. Now degree of variable is classified into 3 parts. What are the 3 things? Degree of polynomial mein?
Linear, cubic, and quadratic.
Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, a normal cubic polynomial, right? So we classified this one. Yeah, good evening, Manya. Polynomials we started.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Polynomials mein degree 1 ko we call as linear, and general equation मालूम है ax plus b. We done linear equation, right? This is the one, ax plus b. Okay, and degree 2 quadratic equation क्या है? ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and similar degree 3 वाला ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a cubic polynomial. So that's why we have quadratic equations. May the other fourth chapter will be quadratic equation, and this chapter already done linear equation ax plus b, and cubic we will studying in this chapter only, polynomial chapter में cubic polynomial. तो शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख लो डिग्री 2 डिग्री 3. Majorly in this chapter में we concerned about zero of the polynomials में we are studying zeros of the polynomial majorly. You on the video, Manya? Copied? तो जनरल इक्वेशंस आपको लर्न करना पड़ेगा. Majorly in this polynomial we are studying in one variable only, one variable x terms में we are learning. Okay. चलो next एक नोट है. If p of x is a polynomial, see we study, we will read like this: p of x, of बोलने का p of x, okay, is a polynomial in x, and if k is any real number, then the value obtained by replacing x by k in p of x is the value of p of x at x equal to k, and is denoted by p of k. Simple है. Suppose मान लो p of x is a polynomial, it is x plus 5. Okay, they will ask what is the value of p of 1. Tell me what is the value of p of 1. This I call as k. Okay, that's why it is called p of k. P of k is constant. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me what is the value. If I substitute wherever x is there, 1 substitute karo. 1 plus 5 is 6. Tell me p of minus 1.
4.
4. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So this is the value of -1 का value है. That's why k बोल के बोला. P of k means just substitute the value. There is a value of the polynomial p of x at x equal to k. Okay. Now if I substitute p of -5, tell me कितना होगा? 0. That means the value of x at which the polynomial is becoming 0. That value is called as what?
0.
0 of the polynomial, which we studied in 9th class में, right? Same thing, 0 of the polynomial is just आपको क्या करने का, how to find 0 of the polynomial? Simply equate to 0. Just substitute with 0. मतलब ऐसा करो. मेथड क्या है? Simply equate x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x equal to -5. That आ जाएगा. Instead of trial and error method, go on substituting. So just equate to 0, we'll get the value. 0 of the polynomial. Done ना? Yes. Now, the definition भी लिखेंगे इसका. A real number k is said to be 0 of the polynomial p of x if p of k is 0. When the polynomial is becoming 0, then that value of that k value is nothing but the 0 of the polynomial. For example, tell me p of x is equal to x plus 2. Tell me what is the 0 of the polynomial for this one is?
-2.
-2. Simply if I substitute p of -2, so -2 plus 2 is 0. This is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. है ना? Yes, 0 of the polynomial. Okay, chalo. Now, geometrical meaning of zeros of the polynomial. What is exactly the meaning of zero of the polynomial? In 10th class में 9th class तक आपको simply polynomial को be equated to 0 and we will get the value of x. But here graphical way में we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So what is the definition of that one means? देखो, zero of the polynomial p of x is the x coordinate of the point where the graph p of x intersect x-axis. Wherever graph touches the x-axis, that point is nothing but the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Indirectly, x-axis means y is 0, right? So we are putting polynomial is 0, that value only. So suppose graph mein, like this is there. So tell me, how many zeros of the polynomial is there? How many zeros of the polynomial? The line is touching the x-axis at how many points?
1.
1 point. So 0 of the polynomial is 1. And उसका corresponding x coordinate, suppose मान लो it is 1, 0. So the corresponding x coordinate is nothing but the zeros of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So anything, any graph if they given also. How many points touching x-axis? Here 1, 2. So how many zeros of the polynomial means 2 zeros of the polynomial. And what are the values means? Suppose मान लो this minus 1, 0. This is 2, 0. So minus 1 and 2 is the zeros of the polynomial for this graph. Okay, simple है. This is geometrical meaning है of the zeros of the polynomial. Wherever the graph touches the x-axis, that point is nothing but the zeros of the polynomial. Done? Chalo. Number of zeros of a linear polynomial. Tell me how many zeros will be there for a linear polynomial?
1.
One, because degree is 1, right? But maximum zeros are 1, right? So how to find the zeros of the polynomial? See, right? The general expression ax plus b is the general equation of the linear polynomial, and it has how many zeros? 1, 0. How to find? Suppose if I given polynomial example, I'm giving p of x is equal to 2x plus 4. Now in the notebook, may just draw and draw the graph and tell me how many zeros are there. Check how many zeros are there or not. आपको ग्राफ मालूम है ना? How to draw बोल के? Simply x axis, y axis. टेबल लगा के ड्रॉ करो. एग्जाम में कैसे पूछेगा? विल अंडरस्टैंड. So just make a table x, y. X equal 0 लगाए तो y is 4. If y equal 0 लगाए तो x is minus 2. Right? 0. If plus 4 इधर है तो minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Now plot. And you know already degree 1 wala always a straight line you will get. Draw and tell me. So 0, 4 will be approximately here, and minus 2, 0 will be here, right? So the graph will be like this, right? So that means how many points here? How many zeros are there? It touching x-axis are how many points? 1. So that's why a linear polynomial में always 1 is the number of zeros, always. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? How to find through graphical method में wherever the graph touches the x-axis. And what are the zeros means? इसका coordinates क्या है? -2, 0, right? So which is the zero of the polynomial? Here which coordinate? X coordinate. X coordinate क्या है? -2. So -2 is nothing but the zero of the polynomial. Okay. Now tell me number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial.
Two.
Okay. What? 2. Okay. Sure. Okay. देखेंगे. हो गया क्या बोला?
So like at most it can be
At most can be 2. Maximum is 2. But it can be no zeros also. It can 1 zero also. We'll see. इसका draw करो. Suppose I given the graph p of x is equal to x square plus 4. It is a quadratic polynomial, right? Degree 2. Now draw the graph and tell me how many zeros are there. So this p of x is nothing but y only, right? So if x is equal to 0, y equal to 4. And if y equal to 0, not defined. So x equal to 1, 5. -1 लिया तो 5 आ गया, right? -1 whole square, 1 plus 4, 5. See that on the video. Now plot and tell me how many zeros are there. प्लॉट करो नॉर्मल 0,4 मीन्स इधर मान लो 1,5. सो 1,5 इधर आएगा and -1,5 -1,5. So graph is like this. How many zeros are there? So number of zeros are nil. Even though degree is 2, even though it is a quadratic polynomial, the zeros can be nil also, 1 also, and 2. Maximum is 2. The answer which you said is maximum number of zeros means you should say 2. But it can be nil also, it can be 1 also. So write down. Quadratic polynomial, general equation क्या है? ax square plus bx plus c has nil zeros or 1 0 or 2 0. 1 or 2 zeros. Okay. So देखो इसमें there is no zeros, right? Because it's not touching x-axis. So nil. Okay, I can write. Now tell me for cubic polynomial, how many zeros? Maximum is 3. But minimum बोलो. It can be anything. Fill the blanks में पूछने वाला है.
Minimum 1.
0, 1, 2 or
0, 1, 2 or 3. No wrong.
1, 2 or
ठीक है. 1, 2 or 3 right. Okay. चलो. हो गया? लिखो cubic polynomial. Number of zeros of a cubic polynomial. So if you see like p of x is example, if I see p of x is equal to x cube, इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करो. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में ड्रॉ करो इन द नोटबुक में. And tell me how many zeros are there. So if I take x equal 0, y equal 0, x equal to -1, y equal to -1, x equal to 1, and this is 1. So plot करो. 0. So -1, -1 somewhere इधर रहेगा, and 1, 1. So if I take plot, approximately graph ऐसा आएगा ना, somewhere ऐसा आएगा, somewhere ऐसा आएगा. Okay, approximately I'm telling. Okay, that means how many points touching, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0 is there. So cubic polynomial can be 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. So लिखो, the general equation क्या है? ax cube plus 1 decrease करो, bx square plus cx plus d. This is a general equation of a cubic polynomial. इसका zeros क्या है? It can be 1, 2 or 3 zeros. That means if you understand that odd, see 1 and 3 में nil is not there, right? Nil नहीं है ना, only 2 में, so odd वाला nil will not be there. Odd zeros, odd degree does not have nil zeros. Okay, so मैं 1 degree वाला nil is not there, 3 degree वाला nil also not there. So odd वाला they can ask like x power 93 ऐसे बोलेगा. So इसका polynomial में how many, whether nil will be there means no. Odd wala will not have nil. Okay. Now we will see the. Now tell me answers bolo. Number of zeros in first case, number of zeros in second case, third case.
So
Tell me,
first
Janvi.
is nil.
First one is
Nil.
0 is also 0 of the polynomial.
Mm-hmm.
We should say nil.
No zero.
Yeah.
Nil. मतलब no zeros. हाँ. इसमें
1.
1.
okay. No zeros. Okay. इसमें 1. Okay. Next.
3.
Okay. Next.
2.
2.
Next.
4.
4.
Next.
3.
3 or 4?
3.
Yes. Understood? Basic easy wala. This is like first exercise of yours only. Same thing. Okay. Polynomials में टेक्स्ट बुक में ये first exercise. चलो. Copy it. Basic. This one first exercise में just answers you can write. This one understood, right? No need of copying anything. Okay. चलो. Now we'll see the relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. Very important topic. इसमें आपको समझ में आने का क्या है relationship between zeros and coefficients. See, further to understand के लिए थोड़ा, already some, since you finished the topic, you understood the relationship between them, right? Like we have alpha, beta, मालूम है ना? Relationship क्या है? Tell me what is Natik? Relationship क्या है? Alpha plus beta is equal to? नहीं यार, अरे चलो.
Sir, minus B by A.
दूसरा alpha beta is equal to?
C by A.
Minus C by A. C by A.
Okay.
We will see. इसके लिए ये आपको थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करो. See, डेरिवेशन एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा, बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कैसा आया बोल के, जस्ट रिलेशनशिप कैसा है बोल के. ओके, सो बिफोर दैट आई विल गिव वन थिंग. स्प्लिटिंग मिल टर्म, राइट? हाउ टू स्प्लिट द मिल टर्म, राइट? हाँ, करो. 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 21x प्लस 30. इसका स्प्लिटिंग मिल टर्म चाहिए मुझे, लाइक फैक्टर्स चाहिए, समथिंग इनटू समथिंग वाला फैक्टर्स चाहिए. सो आपको कभी भी whenever you are doing splitting middle term, first thing you try to simplify first. అంటే कुछ कॉमन वगैरह लेने के बाद करो, इट इज इजी, अदरवाइज बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो सभी में तीनों में इट विल बी गोइंग विद द 3, राइट? सो 3 इफ आई टेक कॉमन, x स्क्वायर माइनस कितना 7x प्लस 10. ओके, नाउ स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म करो. 3 times of
x minus 5 into x minus 2.
right, splitting middle term 10 into x square वाला मल्टीप्लाई करने का. 10 का फैक्टर्स क्या है? 10 का फैक्टर्स इज 2, 5 जा, राइट? सो 5 and 2 से कैन यू मेक 7 मींस? यस, राइट, वी कैन मेक 7. स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म मींस मिडल टर्म को दोनों ऐड करने से विल गेट 7. सो x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x माइनस 2x प्लस 10. देखो, व्हेन यू ऐड दिस टू विल गेट If you multiply, you'll get 10x square. Okay, 3 times of x common leke x minus 5 minus 2 if I take common x minus 5. So 3 times of x minus 2 into x minus 5. Right? This one and matlab some constant number times x minus 2 into x minus 5. ऐसा है ना? ऐसा number आ रहा है. Okay. I can call this as k. K can be 1, 2, 3, any constant number, right? Okay. Reverse is possible, right? If you multiply, you will get the same thing, right? If you multiply completely, you will get the same thing, right? Now इसका derivation करने वाला है. What is the relationship between क्या है zeros and coefficients क्या derivation करने वाला है. Copy right वाला example देके करेंगे. Okay. Now general equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Because it is a quadratic polynomial का general equation is इसका how many maximum number of zeros in quadratic polynomial में? Maximum number of zeros are 2, right? I call one zero is alpha, other zero is beta. Alpha, beta. So now, okay. Now I can write this since they have two factors. Dekho, here two factors are what are 2 and 5 are factors, right? I can write x minus 2 into x minus 5, right? Some constant, right? I can write like this. Dekho, k times of x minus alpha into x minus beta. ये फॉर्मेट में आएगा ना आफ्टर स्प्लिटिंग वगैरह. अल्फा एंड बीटा जीरोस. देखो x माइनस अल्फा इंटू x माइनस बीटा. अल्फा कैन बी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एनीथिंग हो सकता है, राइट? ये फॉर्मेट में आएगा ना. समझ में आ रहा है? आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोस आर अल्फा बीटा. कोएफिशिएंट्स आर व्हाट? a b c. दीस आर द कोएफिशिएंट्स, राइट? उनका रिलेशनशिप आई वांट टू फाइंड. ओके, ये स्टेप अंडरस्टूड? नाउ देखो, आई विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन. So k times of x square minus x into beta is minus x beta minus alpha x minus into minus plus alpha beta. So is equal to k times of x square minus taking common minus x common alpha plus beta times of x plus alpha beta. This is what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Understood? Just I multiplied inside wala. Okay. Now k square I am multiplying inside. Kx square minus k times of alpha plus beta times of x plus k times of alpha beta. So which is ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Both are same, right? Both are same or not? Right? See, these two are same, right? If you multiply, you'll get the same thing. These both are expressions are same. So that's why I'm equating coefficients. Dekho, what is the coefficient of x square here is a, and what is the coefficient of x square is k. Same, right? Similarly, what is the coefficient of x is b is equal to what is the coefficient of x कौन सा है? Minus k times of alpha plus beta, right? Next one here, C, constant, either constant equate karo. C is equal to k times of alpha beta. Okay, now k के जगह में I can substitute a. K के जगह में substitute a. So b is equal to minus a times of alpha plus beta. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. We got first one. And k के जगह में a सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. C is equal to a alpha beta. Therefore alpha beta is equal to c by a. So these are the relationship between zeros and coefficients. See, exam में they will not ask derivation, but थोड़ा understand होने का how, that's why I told you. Otherwise just by hearting वाला हो जाएगा. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha beta is c by a. So these two relationship you have to know. Whenever quadratic formula is there, these are the relation between zeros are alpha beta, coefficients are b and a, c and a, वगैरह coefficients a, b, c are coefficients. Understood? Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, there, like you told simplify, you took 3, right? And there you took k. What if there's no simplification?
1. K is 1. That's why constant times में लगाते हैं. Okay. Okay. Copy down. क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का भी रिलेशनशिप मालूम है? एनीबॉडी? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल गामा विल भी आएगा ना, अल्फा बीटा गामा आएगा.
Alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma.
इक्वल टू मिस हो गया उधर. ओके चलो देखते हैं. सो ये लर्न करो. एंड दूसरा, this is nothing but a, if you tell me this completely, if you multiply, I'll get this one, right? If exam में, if sum of zeros are given to you, product of zeros are given to you, I can use to get a back to the quadratic polynomial. I can use this relationship to get back to the quadratic polynomial. Therefore, उधर note बोल के लिखो, if they ask to find quadratic polynomial, they'll give sum of zeros will be given to you, and we can find quadratic polynomial directly from zeros sub coefficients से. How? This only, if you multiply this you will get the same thing, right? So आपको क्या होगा? फॉर्मूला क्या है? K times of, anybody tell formula क्या है? Tell me. Anybody tell the formula? If sum of zeros are given, product of zeros are given.
X square plus SX plus P.
No, wrong. Anybody? When sum of zeros are given, product of zeros are given, how to find the quadratic polynomial? Same thing only, here only.
Yes.
बोलो. Anything?
X square minus alpha beta plus alpha into beta.
देखेंगे. Anybody? अंतरिक्ष मानिया बोलो. If sum of zeros are given, product of zeros are given, use this formula: x square minus sx plus p. प्लस नहीं है, माइनस बोलने का आकर्ष. sx x square minus sx plus p, where s is sum of zeros. ये लर्न करो. all questions you can answer. Why? Because if you by heart alpha plus beta, वो wrong हो जाएगा, थोड़ा problems में difficult हो जाएगा. So always try to by heart this one. And p is called as product of zeros. When we do the questions, you will understand how to apply these all things. So we learned two things. One is relation between zeros and coefficients, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. And second thing we learned is, whenever they ask quadratic polynomial, find the quadratic polynomial, the formula is k times of x square minus sx plus p. S is sum of zeros, P is product of zeros. ये use करने का always. So exam में क्या करेगा? They'll give a quadratic polynomial. They'll tell to find the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So आपको क्या करने का? Simply you have to split the middle term and try to find alpha beta. So what are the two factors you got? One is alpha, one is beta. Then you can check the relationship whether true or false. Okay, we will see. Is the copy? Tell me nothing. What is the formula for quadratic polynomial? K times of
x square minus s.
sx
plus
p. S is sum of zeros, p is product of zeros. Okay. How से क्या try करो? What is quadratic polynomial? नहीं है. बोलो आद्या. Quadratic polynomial.
Formula?
Quadratic polynomial का formula. When sum of zeros are given, product of zeros are given. So k times of
X square
minus sx plus
minus
p.
sx plus p.
This is the formula we have to use. Okay. चलो देखेंगे how we will use these formulas वगैरह. We will see the things. Okay. This is a general thing. I told, right? When ax square plus bx plus is given, we know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a, where alpha beta are zeros, right? This is a quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial also I will give the relationship. Oh, learn kar lo. These things we already noted down, right? Okay. निकालूंगा. So whenever x, this relationship between zeros and coefficient means you have to use this one. Next one. एक करो. Cubic polynomial is given to you. Since cubic is given, what are the maximum number of zeros? Are 3. I can call one alpha, beta, and gamma. The third one is gamma बोलते हैं इसको. Gamma. Okay. Now इसका relationship क्या है? See, first one is same, like sum of zeros is minus b by a. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. And product of zeros, we know that दो ही roots है ना before. Alpha beta is c by a, right? I say alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is c by a. And last one very important, alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. Okay, लिख लो ये वाला, very important.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
is there a chance of them asking derivation?
No, they will never ask. Only relationship between zeros and coefficients. Only numericals will be there. Very small chapter. ओके, रिलेशनशिप बोल सकते हो अभी दोनों, सबको पूछो. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन तनिष्का बोलो. क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल में आई वांट द रिलेशनशिप. डोंट सी. हां,
So relationship as in for all of them.
all of them.
Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. And then alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a.
या अभिराम बोल सकते हो. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का बोलो रिलेशनशिप.
I didn't memorize it.
हाँ, मेमोराइज बोलते हैं. सी, अल्फा प्लस बीटा सिंपल वाला. हाँ बोलो. आप बोलो श्रीनिधि. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का रिलेशनशिप चाहिए.
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and
हाँ.
alpha beta equals to minus c by a.
हाँ,
Sorry, c by
ट्राई
a.
कर सकते हैं. हाँ, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल का ट्राई करो. पहला सेट ओनली. हाँ.
Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a.
C by a. हाँ, एंड तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. अल्फा बीटा गामा इज इक्वल टू
Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a.
C by a. यस, अंडरस्टूड, राइट? चलो, तो इस न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट करेंगे. व्हाट विल सी व्हाट इज. ओके, find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. The given as x square plus 7x plus 10. इसका zeros find करो बोल रहे. Zeros means how to find zeros? Just splitting middle करके 2 zeros you try to find. Okay. After that, verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Is telling to verify. In maximum questions में verify बोल के बोलेगा. Verify the relationship between. Okay. First find zeros. First find zeros by using splitting middle term. So 10 into x square is 10x square. 2 and 5 second में make, right? Try करो. Okay, 7x plus 12 लिखो. Sorry, plus 12 लिखो. इसका ले लो. 12 लिखो. इसका बनो. इसका स्प्लिटिंग मिल टर्म करो. So 12 into x square 12. 12 का factorize करो. Always try to factorize by using splitting middle term because ये आगे तो quadratic equation में splitting middle term method is there. That time easy हो जाएगा आपको. So 12 into x square is 12x square. So 2 6 2 3 okay. Now how to make two factors so that add किया तो 7 आएगा, multiply किया तो 12 आने का. So देखो 2 into 2 4, 4 and 3 if you add you will get 7, right? And 4 and 3 if you multiply you will get 12. So use that factors, right? X square plus 4x plus 3x. देखो if you add you will get 7x, if you multiply you will get 12x square plus 12 is equal to 0, because we have to find zeros of the polynomial, right? Always the polynomial is becoming 0. Okay, now x common ले लो, x plus 4 plus 3 common ले लो, x plus 4 equal 0. So x plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to how much? Minus 4. And here other value x is equal to minus 3. Right? And this is alpha. 1 0 is alpha. Other 0 we call as beta. So always find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial means you have to splitting middle term करके first we try to find zeros. Clear answer? Okay. Now verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients बोल के बोल रहे हैं. We know the relationship क्या है? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And second relationship क्या है? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. We have to prove that both sides are equal बोल के. This is a relationship. Verify relationship means. Okay. Tell me alpha plus beta is how much in this case में?
Minus 7.
Minus 7, right? Is equal to you compare with ax square plus bx plus c, right? Now a value is how much?
1.
1. B value is 7
7.
and c value is 12, right? Now tell me minus b by a means minus b is how much? 7 by a is how much? 1. So देखो minus 7 is equal to minus 7. We verified the relationship, one relationship we verified. समझ में आ रहा है? सेकंड में वेरीफाई करो. Alpha into beta minus 4 into minus 3 is how much? 12 is equal to c by a. From this relationship, what is c? 12. A is 1. So 12 by 1. So 12 equal to 12. Verified. This is a method you have to know. Okay. He will tell you to find zeros, just splitting middle term. That is alpha beta. And he will tell you to find the relationship. Use the formula and verify. इधर नहीं आ रहे बोल तो something you done mistake बोल के you have to understand. Understood? Any doubts? इधर कॉपीडा अभिराम कॉन्सेंट्रेट. अब अकेला समवेयर किधर जा रहे, किधर ढूंढ रहे हैं? डरना कॉपीडा. हेलो. यस ना करो. Same type of model. He has given polynomial p of x is 6x square minus 3. Now find the zeros of the polynomial. देखते हैं कौन करेगा. Find the zeros of the polynomial. इसमें b term is missing, right? ax square plus bx plus c. हाँ ना करो कितना होगा. zeros. अभिराम on the video. देख कितना zeros. 5 zeros. अरे स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ तनिष्का. Zeros.
Sir, 1 second, I messed
Yeah.
up the values.
अभिराम विदाउट सर्चिंग बोलो. करो. मान्या कितना इसका जीरोस. राविया. हाँ.
So the zeros will be -1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2.
ओके देखेंगे. हासिका. हाउ टू फाइंड जीरोस. इसमें बी टर्म नहीं है ना. बी टर्म होगा तो ठीक है, मिड टर्म स्प्लिटिंग होता था. सिंपली इक्वेट. What is the we know from 9th class, right? The polynomial is becoming 0. We have to find 0 of the polynomial. X square 6x square is equal to 3. X square is equal to 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Whenever degree 2 is there, 2 zeros will be getting. When you send square to the other side, it become root, right? Always write down like this: plus or minus 1 by root 2. Always two values will get. Whenever square is there, when you send that side, root में plus or minus. Degree 2 में 2 roots are there. So therefore, x equal to 1 by root 2 is 1 0, and x equal to minus 1 by root 2 is 1 0. This is alpha and this is beta. Now verify the relationship. Verify the relationship and check whether it's satisfying or not. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Verified? Alpha plus beta is how much? 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 0, is equal to minus b by a. So b is 0 by a is 6. So 0 equal 0. One relationship verified. Alpha beta. Alpha into beta. 1 by root 2 into minus 1 by root 2 is minus 1 by 2 is equal to c by a. C is minus 3 by how much? A is 6. So 3 1 3 2 6. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Verified. So always they'll use to find the zeros and verify the relationship. One model is there. That model we are doing first initially. Some more models are there. We have to know some more formulas. It will be done. One or two classes में हो जाएगा chapter. Easy है. Okay. अच्छे से करो, practice करो, audition में nicely practice करो. When I'm keeping the test, इस बार I will see the marks. First test में some people go less marks आया ना. So I'll see the second test also. If really they are getting less marks means I will take for them one extra class for Saturday का I'm taking for extra class के लिए. So don't want to attend extra class means definitely अच्छे से पढ़ो. नहीं तो उनको कोई extra class लेने वाला हो. Okay? तो अच्छे से पढ़ो. हो गया? जाने में अनुष्ठा?
Yes.
Hasni? Hasika? Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
On the videos. Why are you asking? Okay. Next. Fine. Karo. Same thing. Verify the relationship and find the zeros. Okay, Tanishka. Okay, meanwhile tell mirror formula bolo.
1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f.
Okay, magnification.
Height of the image divided by height of the object, or minus v by u.
Okay. What is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length?
R is equal to 2f.
Okay, focal length for sine convention I want. Focal length for concave mirror.
Focal length for concave mirror is negative.
Okay, नज़दीक हो गया? Punishment है, जल्दी हो गया तो punishment है. Tell me focal length for convex mirror, Natik. Sine convention I want. Unmute करके बोलो, Natik.
The what?
Focal length for convex mirror.
Convex mirror.
हाँ. क्या कर रहे? Calculate कर रहे हैं?
So yes, sir. The positive.
हाँ, मरे उसके लिए. Okay.
Sir,
चलो. And
Side
concave mirror is also called as?
concave mirror.
हाँ.
Converging mirror.
Okay. श्रीनिधि हो गया आपका? हो गया भी नहीं हो बोलेगा ना, बिकॉज आई विल आस्क बोल के. ओके.
Yes, sir.
डन ना. जीरोस फाइंड कैसे किया? सिंपली द पॉलिनोमियल को वी आर इक्वेटिंग विद जीरो, राइट? 4u square plus a2 is equal to 0. 4u if we take common, u plus 8 is equal to 0. So 1 is 0. Oh, sorry. 4u u plus 2, right? Equal to 0. So 1 is u is 0. And other one is u is minus 2. Two zeros. This is alpha, beta. Now find the relationship. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. First initially same model we are doing so that आपको easy होगा. Done? Haska done? No. Okay. जाना भी the video. डेली पढ़ के रखो, बीच बीच में आई विल टेक सडनली आई विल आस्क द टॉपिक्स कैसा है बोल के. श्रीनिधि ट्राई करो. Fe2O3 is which color?
Sir, Fe2O3.
O3.
Green.
No. Come on. Savya, try करो. Fe2O3.
So yellow.
No.
Sir, red,
बोलो.
brown.
ये सब रेनबो कलर्स बोलो सब लोग. We done. I give an example. Thermal decomposition में we done. Very important exam में 100% आएगा बोल के done. And you know उसमें से दो गैस भी आ रहे हैं, बदबू आ रहा है बोल के बोला. चल 2 मिनट रिवीजन करेंगे. बोलो करो. सही था. स्टैकेटर बोल दिया फिजिक्स का. केमिस्ट्री का.
So is it brown?
हाँ.
Brown.
डार्क ब्राउन इज द F1. ओके. उसमें से दो गैस वाला कौन सा गैसेस है?
NO2 and O2.
हाँ. NO2 and
O2.
O2 क्या
No, sorry.
Hydrogen sulfide.
No.
Sulfur dioxide and
And
sulfur dioxide.
SO2 SO3 gas.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell Adya, try करो. In SO2 and SO3 gas में which is the burning smell of sulfur?
SO3.
No, wrong.
SO2.
SO2. True or false means true नहीं तो false. SO2 is the one very important. SO2 is the one where we get a burning smell of sulfur. Okay. Limestone formula. बोलो हासिका. Limestone.
The CaCO3.
Yes, CaCO3. Okay. Manya, CaOH taken twice is called as what?
Sir, calcium hydroxide.
That is okay. Other chemical name, other name.
Slaked lime.
Slake lime. Okay. जानवे बोलो. No, ऐसे सब try करो. CaO is called as very famous one. CaO. Like I told you, एक कंटेनर में डालेगा. सीधी try करो.
Quick limes.
Slake lime, she told right. CaOH taken twice.
Sir, quick lime.
Quick lime. Okay. Okay. And can you tell me the compound where yellow precipitate का compound का formula?
Lead iodide.
Formula?
PI2.
PbI2. Okay.
Yes.
Good. She is studying little bit. आधे तक काम में बैठ रहे ना, not studying right? उतना पढ़ने का ready रखो. I will go on compulsory. I will ask last 5 minutes में I'm going to ask whatever I covered. I will ask. Okay. आधे try करो फिर से. Okay. CaOH taken twice plus CO2 gives rise to what?
Sir,
CaOH.
can you repeat?
CaOH taken twice plus CO2 gives rise to what?
ACO3.
CaCO3. Good. Limestone. Because I told it, finish dash is used for whitewashing.
Sir,
Anybody?
slaked lime.
Good. पर इतना एक बार पढ़ेगा, एक बार लाइट अच्छे से पढ़ो nicely. Okay. Sravya, can you give example where combination reaction which is also exothermic reaction?
Sir,
Right. That only. एक कंटेनर है, हाथ से पकड़ा, हीट आएगा.
sir,
They'll
quick
put.
lime.
Tell me.
Quick
Equation I
lime.
want.
Sir, quick lime plus water gives slaked lime plus H2.
Plus heat आएगा. Okay. CaOH taken plus heat. Okay. Tell me. जाने में. मतलब संबंध नहीं है बोल के बंद करेगा. ओके. आप बोलो. ठीक है. Thermal decomposition definition.
It gets absorbed by light.
No.
By heat.
Proper definition I want. Anybody? Manya, try करो. Thermal decomposition definition. Thermal means heat. Decomposition brought about by heat is called as thermal decomposition. आगे हम लोग photolytic पढ़ने वाले हैं, electrolytic पढ़ने वाले हैं. Thermal decomposition brought about by light is called photolytic decomposition. Electricity is called as electrolytic decomposition. Okay. Okay. Physics में भी पूछूंगा. ठीक है. One question पूछूंगा. आद्या try करो. I want to. Okay. Convex mirror का application I want.
Vex. Sir, rare view mirrors.
Okay. Rear view mirrors. Hasika try. Any application for concave?
So, like solar furnaces.
Solar furnace ka. Okay, which ray diagram will be useful for solar furnace? Savya, right?
Okay.
Right. Wait. Savya, which ray diagram is useful for solar furnace?
Sir, the one in which it passes through C.
No. बहुत दूर से मतलब सोलर फर्नेस वाला कितना गर्म होने का, so much heat should be coming, right?
So it
मतलब
all gets converted normal.
मतलब in terms of ray diagram में कैसा आएगा? Which ray diagram out of 4 rules में which one will use? अभी नातिक बोलो.
Sir, add infinity.
1820 parallel and focus. All rays will be coming at focus, right? That's why वो गर्म हो जाएगा. There we can cook. There that point we can put everything cooking कर लेंगे. Solar furnace का sometimes they ask the which ray diagram they will use बोल के. Okay.